Demure Sonal Chauhan of the Jannat fame is all ready to experiment. जन्नत के बाद सोनल को मिला बिग बी के साथ बुढ़ा होगा तेरा बाप में काम करने का मौका. And does she feel lucky about it? Hear what she has to say about the superstar Mr. Bachchan.
थोड़े टाइम के लिए हाँ, मैं जब वहाँ पर जिस दिन मुझे पता चला था कि मेरा नेक्स्ट डे मिस्टर बच्चन के साथ सीन है, I was a little nervous and then I saw him in flesh and blood and I was like, okay. So I was just like, will I be able to do it or not? I just saw him from a distance but जैसे ही मैं मिस्टर बच्चन को मिली और उनको मैं पहली बार मेरा उनके साथ इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, everything was gone. And I think I only have him to thank because he was just so nice and I think he just has this thing of making people so comfortable around him and that's exactly what he did.
चलिए बिग बी के बारे में तो आपने सुन लिया, बट अगर बात करें सोनल चौहान की तो उनकी इमेज है that of a simple girl next door. बट जब हमने यही बात सोनम से पूछी तो उनका जवाब कुछ ऐसा आया कि forget the shy and sweet girl. She clearly stated that she's here to stay and she will do everything to survive. But will she dare to bear?
Well, it's not. I don't really think that a role is defined as bold only by doing a love-making scene, but I would definitely like to do something different from what I've just done because I've just, I think, started my career and I have a lot to do, in future. And as an actor, I think I would love to do something different because I think for an actor, the greatest thing is to be able to do all sorts of things,
Dare to Bear से याद आ गए हमें द भट्ट कैंप, जिन्होंने सोनल को दिया था बॉलीवुड में ब्रेक. And even today she's grateful to them for it. Here is another Bhatt loyalist.
It was a great experience working with the Bhatts. I didn't have any kind of trouble. They were very nice to me. They still are. They're like family. So in that case, it wasn't really tough.
From professional life to personal life, अब बात करते हैं सोनल के much talked about relationship की. Sonal, after almost 3 years, clears the nasty stories of being in an abusive relationship with Sahil Zaru. Sahil Zaru was supposedly arrested for slapping Sonal in a public area. But इतने सारे articles और news के बाद भी Sonal clearly denies even being in a relationship with Sahil.
I think there's no point in even commenting on something as trivial as that because news is made on its own and people don't even. I'm glad that you're asking me at least and giving me that respect so that I'm able to say something. Otherwise, it's just made up. So I think there is no truth to it. There was no truth to it, but whatever is said is said. I really can't do anything about it.
You never have been in a relationship with Sahil?
There is no truth to it. Absolutely not.
चलिए साहिल के साथ तो कोई भी कनेक्शन होने से मना कर दिया सोनल ने, बट क्या अभी भी इंतजार है सोनम को अपने प्रिंस चार्मिंग का?
It's not a decision. It's not a decision at all. I'm a normal young girl and I would like to have a boyfriend, but it just so happens that at this moment I'm not seeing anyone.
Well, ये तो थी सोनल चौहान on various aspects of her life. We'll just wish this dame best of luck for her career and life. Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.